In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write alt text for images on your Wix website to optimize your SEO. Whether you're new to website building or a seasoned pro, adding alt text to your images is a simple yet crucial step for improving your site's accessibility and search engine ranking. Alt text, short for alternative text, is a description of an image that helps search engines understand its content and assists visually impaired users who rely on screen readers. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add alt text to your images in Wix. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com, enter your login credentials, and access your dashboard. If you're managing multiple websites, take a moment to locate the specific site you want to work on. Once you've found it, click on it to access that site's details. Now that you've navigated to your chosen site, the next step is to open the Wix Website Editor. This is where all the magic happens. The editor is your workspace for customizing your site, and it's the place where you'll add your alt text. Once the editor is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to it. You'll see all the elements of your site displayed, so it's easy to pinpoint the image you want to edit. Now let's locate the image you'd like to add alt text to. Scroll through your page or navigate to the section where the image is placed. Once you find the image, click on it to highlight it. You'll notice that when you click on the image, several options will appear around it. Among these options is a small gear-shaped icon, which represents the settings for that image. Go ahead and click on the gear-shaped settings icon. This will open a settings menu dedicated to that specific image. In this menu, you'll find various options to customize your image. Look for the section labeled What's in the Image. This is the area where you'll be adding your alt text. Now it's time to write your alt text. Think of a short, clear description that accurately represents the content of your image. For example, if the image is of a plate of spaghetti, a good alt text might be a plate of spaghetti with tomato sauce and basil. Your description should be concise yet detailed enough to give context to users who might not be able to see the image. Avoid keyword stuffing or writing overly long descriptions. Remember, the goal is to describe the image naturally and accurately. Once you've written your alt text, simply close the settings window. Don't worry, your changes will be saved automatically. After closing the settings, take a moment to review your page. Scroll through the site and check to ensure the alt text has been correctly applied to the image. This step is important to confirm that everything looks good and is functioning as intended. Lastly, double-check your alt text for typos or inaccuracies. This only takes a few seconds, but it ensures your descriptions are polished and professional. If you spot any errors, you can easily go back into the settings and make adjustments. And that's it. You've successfully added alt text to an image on your Wix website. Adding alt text is a straightforward process, but it makes a big difference for your site's SEO and accessibility. By taking the time to describe your images clearly, you're not only optimizing your site for search engines, but also making it more inclusive for all users. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.